To grow bigger arms and help fill out your shirts and frame, the first step is to understand some common mistakes. Programming is the main issue I see causing most people to miss out on their arm gains. You see guys in the gym doing push-pull legs and hitting a huge bench session before they go to do their tricep extensions, and they wonder why their arms won't grow. For any muscle to grow, you need to give it a reason to. It needs proper stimulus. If you're already fatigued from bench, your triceps won't be primed for isolation exercises after, leaving gains on the table. Another common mistake is from either ego lifting and using momentum to do the hard work, or not using a full range of motion. How many times do you see guys half or even quarter repping their bicep curls? I also always see people come in, grab the heaviest dumbbell they can lift, and start throwing their whole body to curl it. This does nothing but increase the chance of injury. People also always think of biceps first when it comes to arms, but triceps are much larger, making up about 2/3 of your upper arm, so we should focus on them as well. To solve the programming issue, the first consideration is your split. I highly recommend the Arnold split to hit arms twice a week and on days without big fatiguing lifts like lat pull downs in rows, limiting your biceps, and bench stunting your triceps. That said, if you want to stick with push-pull legs, make sure to hit triceps before bench on your push day for at least one exercise and push the last set as close to failure as possible. I personally do the Arnold split with one bicep focused day and the other tricep focused. I hit 2 exercises for the focus muscle on its day and 1 for the other. So on the bicep focus day, I'll hit preacher curls and hammer curls with skull crushers for triceps. On the tricep day, I do overhead cable tricep extension, push downs, and incline dumbbell curls. I recommend doing slightly higher reps for isolation exercises, anywhere in the 6 to 12 rep range, but ideally 9 to 12. Bleeding up to 15 reps or beyond is fine as long as you get close to failure. If you hit 13 or more reps, increment the weight and slowly work to get your reps back up, progressively overloading. Time under tension is key, making sure to go slow on the eccentric, or the negative of the movement. So for bicep curls, this means using your bicep to slow gravity as it tries to pull the weight back down. Don't just let the dumbbell sink with no resistance on the negative. For your preacher curls, go all the way until your arms are straight. You may be scared after hearing people tear biceps like this, but that's only because they do not train that portion of the movement. Preacher curls are the best because you cannot cheat the movement and it gives you an incredible stretch on the bicep. When doing other curls like incline, hammer, drag curls on a cable, or any other variations, think about having your elbow fixed, pinned to your side. You don't want your elbow to slide forward and back, as this means you're using momentum and other muscles to cheat the weight up. Now that we have the upper arm sorted out, it's time to focus on forearms, which will help make your arms much larger. You'll hear people say stop using lifting straps on back exercises and use fat grips to help train forearms, but this is just trying to brush forearms in as supporting muscles on other movements. Instead, train them like any other muscle, in isolation. Pick 2 exercises and add them to one or both of your arm days. You can choose from wrist curls, wrist extensions, reverse grip curls, and hammer curls. That's everything you need to blow up your arms, but don't forget, lifting is only one of the 3 key factors for building your dream physique. If you want to learn the other 2, check out this video.